A salt flat lizard. A young male on the lookout for a territory. There's no time to waste. This water is full of salt. He can't drink it, but these brine flies can. It's a perfect combo meal. A drink with a side of flies. But for a rookie, this is going to take some practice. 200 flies contain just a thimble of water. He's sure got his work cut out. Nailed it. Could life get any better? Maybe it can. It's a female salt flat lizard, wafting a powerful, seductive scent into the air. But all is not as it seems. It's trial by combat. Overpowered,